This is the board and this is the button, and you have to press the left a little bit. You have to control your strength to make it suitable for the board. And it's a little hard, and you need to find the right wires in the board and actually it's hard. Now you have the strength. It's not easily for control. Okay. It's too hard. Okay, and after you got it, and then you use your strength to push it as a like these things happens a lot, and you have to make it again and make adjustment about the leg. That's why we see it's gonna cut a lot of time and work. And see, this is so here on the position you can still have the distance between the board and the button. So I think maybe you see this is the problems, and you can see from here, and they still have distance. And this is, and we're gonna try this one. Like before, we need to press the legs a little bit, and then to find the position. You have to find the right position. Okay, and then when you can put it down, then press. You see, these things happens a lot because the wires is so small, and we cannot put the leg into the wires properly. So this is a problem, and at this situation we need to get it and try to new one. So and try again. You see, and it's done. But from this video you can see that it is very hard, and it have risk to damage this component. So, and I think you can make some changes about the buttons or the board so that we can for us easily assemble. So that's all you can see from the back side. And then we have to make these legs appear on the surface of the board. It is very important, so this can avoid for insufficient soldering.